Welcome to Crazy Contraptions DB4 Cargo Carrying Contraption Build Instruction video. This is in section 3.3 in the building zone, and I'm going to show you step by step how to build this crazy contraption. Here we go. Step 1 for building the cargo carrier is the front wheel and axle. You're going to need a yellow rod, 2 green snowflakes, 2 wheels with their tires, 2 gray spacers, and 2 gray clips. First thing you're going to want to do is to build these wheels. You just slip these tires over the wheel. After that, take your yellow rod, take the clip, put the clip on the end, then you're going to slide one of the wheels through. After the wheel comes one of the gray spacers. Put that in. Next, you're going to slide 2 green snowflakes on. And then another gray spacer. After the gray spacer comes the wheel, and then finally the clip. Here's your front wheel and axles. For our next step, we're going to build the back wheels and the axle. You're going to need 1 red rod, 2 white snowflakes, 2 light gray duck feet, 2 wheels with their tires, 2 black hinge clips, and 2 tan nose pieces. The first step will be to assemble your wheels so they're ready when you need to put them on. Just like in the first step, you just slide the tires over the wheel. There we go. Then you take your red rod, clip the black clip on the end, then you're going to take one of your wheels, slide it onto the rod, now you're going to take this tan nose piece and clip it on. Well, you have to make sure is, see these holes here in the wheel, that the little nose goes into the wheel when you clip it on. So you clip it on like this. Oops. And then it slides in. There we go. After the tan nose piece comes a light gray duck foot. This is also going to bite onto it right next to it, keeping it in place. Then we're going to slide the snowflake on. Next, it goes on the motor right here in the centerpiece. If you look at it, it looks kind of like a cow with the feet in the front. Slide it in here. Might be a little tough because you have to push it through the gears. If you twist it, it kind of gets it to go through. There we go. Then we're going to slide the next white snowflake on. Then we're going to bite a gray duckfoot more towards the center, and then once it's on, you can slide it to where it needs to be against the tan piece. Then you're going to bite the nose clip on again. There we go. Then you're going to slide your wheel on and match up the hole with the nose piece. Fits right in there. Lastly, the black clip it on, and then slide the wheel to the end. Now you've got your back wheels and axle. Now we're going to be building a series of connectors. The first connector is going to require 2 blue rods, 2 white rods, and 2 yellow snowflakes. I'm going to take the yellow snowflake, put the white rod on one end and the blue rod on the other, then repeat. There we go. Before we attach these connectors, there's a few important things to notice. First, that these holes are on the top side of the motor. You don't want them on the bottom. Next is that this wire is going to be over the axle, or else it's going to trip itself up. So that's how you want this before you connect it. Then I'm going to take a connector, put the white end into the white snowflake, like this, connected. Do the same on the other side. Now, you're going to connect the green snowflake to the blue rod. Have the top of the snowflake up like this, connect it to the bottom mouthpiece. See it up close. Here to here, here to down here. And now we're connected. Now for the other set of connectors, you're going to need 4 red snowflakes, 8 green rods, and 2 yellow rods. These are going to stabilize our cargo carrier. So you take the red snowflakes and you put 2 green rods in each one, leaving the middle part open. So repeat. Now we're going to take these 2 yellow rods, put them through our holes, or if you like to think of it as a cow's, through the feet. Up through there. The one through the front. Now we're going to take our red snowflakes and we're going to secure the rods. So slide it through the yellow and then attach it to the white snowflake. You can see the connection right there. This keeps everything in place. You can move the rod to give it more places to slide on the other side. Slide it on and attach it to the white snowflake. If it's getting in the way at all, you might have to move it around a little bit. Move the wheel, that is. That'll give you more space to snap it on. Now we're going to snap it onto the other side. Push the wheels so you have plenty of space to put it on. Slide it through. Match up the mouth with the rod and push it in. Now we're going to put them on the front. This is going to attach to the white snowflake, then this is going to attach to the yellow snowflake. To make room, push the wheel, snap it onto the yellow and onto the white. Now repeat on the other side. Slide the wheel over, slide it onto the rod, and snap it onto the snowflakes. The final step is to build our cargo carrier. You're going to need 2 blue rods, 2 yellow snowflakes, 2 red snowflakes. Take your yellow snowflake, your blue rod. It's going to attach in the center mouth like this. Then you're going to take your red snowflake, attach it to the end like this, and then repeat. Now we're going to attach our carrier pieces to the back rod. Make sure your rod is somewhat even. Snap it on. Snap it on the other side. And it can twist sort of like a dump truck to push your cargo off.